My name's Maureen Lopez. I'm an LPN. I've been with River Valley since February of 2019, so almost a year. The camaraderie with my coworkers is amazing. The teamwork is like nothing I've ever experienced before. The nurses, the CNAs, the TAs, the way we all work together for the health of the patient is like something I've never had before. I respect all of my nurses and their opinions, and every nurse and CNA has something different to add to the picture, so we all come together really well. Always been, well, the customer's always right, the customer's always first, and here I feel like patient care is so important and definitely, at the top of everybody's list. But before anything else, they always think of the employees and our safety and our own mental health. Because being in the medical field, it's not always easy or stress-free. And so I always feel like they take care of us very well and make sure that we're happy and we have the support we need and the guidance we need. I feel like we do come first, which is rare.
Yeah. I would say maybe this is the only place that I've ever personally worked where that's like a thing.
I've never heard of the customer not being listed as number one, but because they take that approach that the employee is number one, I think that the patients end up getting better care because the employees are happy.
I'm Tammy. I'm an LPN.
And I'm Jennifer. I'm an RN.
It's like night and day.
Mm-hmm.
Working here under the previous owner and administration was just hectic at best. Working for Matt, I've been a nurse for 17 years, and this is the best company I have ever worked for. I couldn't imagine working under a different employer. Matt is just a great leader.
Wow.
Well, I think he listens, and I think he actually cares about his employees, and in order to take care of our patients, you have to take care of your employees, and I think that's what he does. And
yes, he does. He's approachable. He's fair. He's like she said, he takes care of his employees first. He takes care of his staff, and then we can go out and then take care of the patients because we feel comfortable in our positions.
So you feel like the Capico model, like the employees first part's there?
Oh, absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think that's been there like in other jobs you've had? I mean, I'm assuming you've had other jobs.
No.
Yeah.
I don't think ever.
I would concur.
I don't think ever
Yeah.
any job that I've ever had. I don't think this is one of the jobs that I've never ever wanted to leave.
Yeah, right?
I feel like that I am appreciated here, and I feel like that what we do is important and it is impacting our community. And I feel that we have grown tremendously since the beginning, since we became River Valley especially. The leadership has really worked hard to build the company, and I think they have done a fantastic job.
Yeah, my name is Calvin Hazelton. I've been with the company now for 4 years. Some of mine and my wife's best friends are either from church or from this company, because everyone here has taken the time to reach out and be that friend and make it a work family. And that is something I'm fully admitting to, is that this is a work family. And if you talk to our leadership team, it's about patience. Yeah, Capico, it's the customer second, but it's about patience, about giving back to the community. We just started up that nonprofit organization to help the community. They picked a direction to make people's lives better, and their team is there to make people's lives better. So when they make their focus is, let's be out there, let's help. So when you jokingly asked, would I go work anywhere else? Even on my hard days, it's hard to say, like, do I debate somewhere else? Do I like it? Everyone has hard days, but there's no company as good as this that I've ever worked for.
I'm Nadia Rowe. I'm the intake coordinator. I've been here, and this May will be 5 years. This company culture so far that I have found is the best. It just feels like a real team, very close-knit, and family-oriented too. Everybody helps each other out. It's just very, everybody's on top of things. Everybody's working together. Everybody's tight-knit to accomplish a goal of high-quality patient care, and the patients feel it too. I think that's why they love us too. So the management team here is very approachable. I feel super comfortable going to them, you know, with a concern that I have, and they listen very tentatively and just try to come up with what can we do, what's a solution that we could kind of work out so everybody would be comfortable. It's a great company to work for. It just, like I said, it has a family kind of feel. Feels like home when new people come on. That's what I tell them, and that I noticed all the staff tells them is welcome to the River Valley family. That's truly what it's like.
So my name is Berto Alanis. I'm the patient care coordinator, marketer for La Paz County for River Valley Home Health and Hospice. I cover all La Paz, Big River, California, and Blythe, California. Been with the company for a little over 7 years now. It's a great, great place to work. Everyone's very friendly. They provided all the tools and everything that I need to do my job and to do my job efficiently. Just having Leslie, available, having everyone from the leadership team there in case we need, help. If we, have questions, they're always there to just provide that helping hand. Just to be the honestly, the employees being happy. We're all happy to work here. We all love what we do. We love our jobs. From the team assistants to nurses, myself as a marketer, we all kind of just, click, and we're all just, like I said, we're just happy to work here. The environment, it's great. So if we ever have any issues with, with anything, like I said, the leadership team is always there to help us out if in case there's any need. Overall, it's a welcoming workplace.
My name is Joan Yarborough, and I'm an RN, and I've been doing hospice for 10 years, but I've been with River Valley for, almost 2 years now.
My name is Jeffrey Floyd. I'm an RN case manager with River Valley Hospice. I've been here approximately going on 4 years.
I made the move because I feel that this company is more patient-oriented. It wasn't about the numbers, it was about giving good patient care. I liked that this company had an office based in Parker. It was, the people felt more, I don't know what the word, the people felt like we were in the community. We were accessible, whereas the companies I worked for before, that wasn't the case at all. More support from my coworkers, just a good team, and anytime you need anything, somebody's there to help, especially our supervisors. You just pick up the phone and ask. It's just all about taking care of the patients and making sure they get good care, and that's what drew me to this company.
The other thing about River Valley is, yes, they are patient-oriented, but they're also employee-oriented. They take care of their own, and it's an awesome team from the ground up.
Was that present in the other places you worked?
Absolutely not.
And it's so important in this type of work that we do. It's hard work, and it's very rewarding. I love my job, but there's just times where you feel like you need to be able to reach out to somebody that's so important, a team member, and we have that here. I didn't have it at the other hospice.
Wonderful team.
Okay. And just a great profession to be in. Working with these people. I'll get emotional if I keep going on. It's a great job, and we're just so blessed. And it's neat because I feel like I didn't choose hospice. This is never what I wanted to do, but it definitely chose me. And knowing that, every day when I get up and go to work, it's like, okay, what are we going to do today? And I just love the patients and their families. They pay me to do this. It's crazy.
My name is Jamie King. I'm a CNA. I have been with River Valley for about 2.5 years, although I've been a CNA for about 15 years. It's about every work environment a CNA can do. My number one thing with River Valley is they're very family oriented. I have 5 children. You know, Christmas parties, gatherings, they include our children. They don't down you when you have a sick kid. It's always take care of your family and let us know if you need anything. Don't worry about us. We will be okay. You just make sure your family's okay. And for me, that is a huge thing.